Morning, everybody. Hey, this is for all you LS lovers out there. Like I said, Performance Unlimited builds them all, but we're having a great time building a lot of these LS motors. You give us a call, you want something, we make it happen. We always told you we could. So if you got a project, keep us in mind. This happens to be our 440 cubic inch LS engine. This thing just got done making 670 horsepower and 645 foot-pounds of torque. Man, you can see, like I said, we're the real deal. We run everything, we dyno test, and that's the best thing. When you're dyno testing, that's like it's in a car, and it gives us the idea to let you know where your RPM band is, where it's making power, what kind of power it's making, what kind of torque numbers, everything. You can see we're running headers on here. We got our air fuel ratios all hooked up. Every motor we build, we make sure we got the air fuels right where we want them. We can set everything up. So we started out with a brand new GM block. I custom ground it to fit that stroker crank in there. Got a forged crank in here, an H-beam rod, forged piston. Finished it up with some nice LS aluminum heads. We put a nice fuel injection system on here. This one happens to be an MSD. We custom paint all our LS motors. We can leave them natural aluminum if you like also. But this one was custom painted red for the customer. And again, it doesn't get any easier and it doesn't get any better. You got something in mind, wild, mild, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940.
Fuel shut and a rev limiter.
Yeah,
yep.
nice.